Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to make a simple frequency table. Now first here you have the value and here you have the frequency. So let's start in the lowest value. So we have 3. Now how often does the number 3 appear in that data set? So we have 1, 2, so we have 2 times. Now the next number is 4. We have 4. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 fours. The next number is 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. 5 fives. We don't have 6, so we move to 7. We have 1, 7. Next number we have 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, 8. Now, so that's the simple way to make a frequency table. Now, how we can use this table to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So first, let's start in the range. The range is equal the highest number minus the lowest number. The highest number is 8 minus 3, so the range is equal 5. Now, next one, we have the mode. The mode is basically the number in the dataset with the highest frequency. So we have two modes because here we have 5 and here we have five, also 5. So we have the mode is 8 and 5. We have two modes. Now what about if we add here 5? So the range is change and also the mode is change. So you have 6 5. So the mode is 5, just 5, one mode. Now the next one, we have the median. The median is basically the middle number in a dataset. So to find the median, if you take 5 here and 5 here, so we have the median is 6. Also we have another way. We need to order the number. So we have 2 3 and 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 and 1 7 and also 5 8. So if you take the first 5 in the left and 5 in the right and also 2 in the left and 2 in the right, 1 in the left and 1 of the right, so we have the middle, the median is 5. Now the next one we have the mean. The mean is basically the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of data items in our set, sum over n. So here you have the sum, and we need to find the sum of these numbers, that's number of n. So 2 plus 3 is equal 5, 5 plus 6 is equal 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 5 is equal 17. Now we need to find the sum. 3 times 2 is equal 6, 4 times 3 is equal 12, 5 times 6 is equal 30, 7 times 1 is equal 7, and 8 times 5 is equal 40. Now 6 plus 12 plus 30 plus 7 plus 40 is equal 95. So the mean is equal 95 divided by 17. 95 divided by 17, so this is the mean. And 95 divided by 17 approximately is equal 5.5. So this is the final answer.